Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Question first. Which good is non-excludable and rival in consumption? Watch this, because the whole choice unlocks fast once those two definitions click together. Start with non-excludable. That means people cannot be easily prevented from using the good, so private items like a fish sandwich or a dance lesson immediately stop fitting. Next, check public highway, assuming no tolls or gatekeepers, because drivers can use it without being excluded, which makes it match the non-excludable part right away. Now test rivalry. One more driver increases congestion and reduces everyone else's road space, so the highway is rival in consumption, making option B correct. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Don't rush signs alone. Trust the given definitions, then check each condition before locking the choice.